Chapter 1 of The Kite Runner by Khaled Hosseini sets the stage for a complex story of redemption, childhood memories, and the intermingled destinies of its characters. The narrative begins in December 2001 in San Francisco, where the unnamed narrator reflects upon a pivotal moment in his life that occurred in the winter of 1975 in Kabul, Afghanistan, when he was 12 years old. This moment, deeply shrouded in mystery and regret, is hinted to have profoundly shaped the narrator's identity and life trajectory. The narrator recalls a phone call from Rahim Khan, a friend from Pakistan, which serves as a catalyst for these reflections and suggests the presence of unresolved issues or unatoned sins. As the narrator walks, he observes kites flying in the sky, triggering memories of Hassan, described as the hair-lipped kite runner, alongside other significant figures from his past, including Baba, Ali, and Kabul itself, painting a picture of intertwined lives and shared histories. The chapter uses these memories and characters to weave a rich tapestry of suspense and anticipation, inviting readers to delve into the complexities of the narrator's past and the events that transpired in 1975. This technique sets the stage for an exploration of key themes such as guilt, redemption, and the impact of the past on the present. Throughout Chapter 1, Hosseini employs a mix of exposition and suspense to draw readers into the world of his characters. By providing fleeting glimpses into significant events and relationships, the author builds intrigue and lays the groundwork for the narrative's thematic and symbolic elements. Themes like the consequences of theft, the nuances of familial and fraternal love, and the quest for atonement are subtly introduced through the narrator's reflections and the symbolically charged imagery of kites, among others. The chapter concludes by reiterating the significance of the events of 1975, leaving readers with a sense of anticipation and myriad questions about the narrator's identity, the nature of his relationship with Hassan, and the incident that forever altered their lives. Through its intricate narrative structure and thematic depth, Chapter 1 of The Kite Runner effectively sets the tone for a story of complex human emotions and moral dilemmas, inviting readers to explore the haunting beauty of Hosseini's fictional universe. And as always, if you liked this video, make sure to smash that like button and leave a comment down below.